At first we need to open the top cover of the inverter. When stripping, the wire needs to pay attention to the general stripping length of 5 to 10 millimeters. The whole deeper stripping length of 12 millimeters. We need to step the stripped battery cable into the standard copper plug and crimp it down with hydraulic pliers. Once we are ready to press the wires, we have to connect the battery to the inverter.
Then connect the battery to the DC breaker.
Unplug the socket. Pull out latches. Run the wire through the port and into the jack. Notice that there are 2 PV channels, 2 firing lines, 2 neutral lines. Loosen the screws. Insert the wires and tighten the screws. The other way is the same. Next we need to connect the PV, the inverter, the PV switch, and the surge protection according to the schematic diagram. Here we use a master switch to control the PV. Then connect the PV main switch to the surge protector. Way is the same. Then connect the pay port at the lower end of the anti-surge breaker to the return flow. Final connection of the inverter to the PV main switch. First we connect to the main side. We'll start by connecting the mains and the circuit breaker. Please be careful not to connect the live line to the neutral line incorrectly. Then connect the mains circuit breaker to the surge protector. Then connect the inverter to the circuit breaker. The generator on the other side is connected in the same way as the mains. The wiring mode of the load is the same as that of the mains and generators. However, note that neither the generator nor the load circuit breakers need to be connected to the surge protector. Finally, let's take a look at the overall installation effect. Thanks!